Chika Minute, Bel Mariano talks about upcoming family drama film and international music nominations. From award-nominated music to high-profile acting projects, Kapamilya star Bel Mariano continues to shine as one of the most versatile and promising artists of her generation. And an exclusive interview during the launch of new feminine wash product, Bel expressed heartfelt gratitude for her recent nomination at the prestigious 2025 Jupiter Music Awards. Grabe talaga, thank you. Alam nyo, hindi ko talaga in-expect. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta ng music ko. It's something that I was just once a girl who was singing sa karaoke. Ngayon, nakakasulat na ako ng kanta sa ad ni Bel. She also emphasized how meaningful it is for her to be able to connect with people through music. Ang maganda dito is we are able to send message through these songs and we were able to put emotions and make the listeners feel it. So nakakatawa that a lot of people can actually feel the same emotions and sing along the music na nilalabas natin, Bel added. And Bel also shared details about her current acting project, the upcoming family drama film, Meet Great and Bad, where she stars alongside Maricel Soriano, Piolo Pascual, Juan Carlos, and Joshua Garcia. Saying, yeah, we start shooting na actually. It's such a fun experience kasi nga parang nagkaroon ako ng mga kuya. Nakakatuwa na I'm able to work with other artists and I can learn from them. Nakakakaba syempre, they're all so good, pero I'm excited to learn more from them, Bel told sa Marites. The actress also expressed her hope that audiences will see the character that she is portraying and that she be able to veer away from who she is in real life and the characters she has portrayed before, instead bringing to life the character she is playing in the movie. Sana hindi nyo ako makita. Sana hindi nyo makita si Bel sa character. Sana makita nyo yung character na pinutray ko since it talks about family, she expressed. And directed by blockbuster filmmaker Cathy Garcia Sampana, Meet Great and Bad is described as a heartfelt family story. The project was first staged in February and officially confirmed in June. According to the direct Cathy, the movie is a love letter of all parents to their children and hopefully vice versa. Sabi pa nga ni Direk, ipapakilala sa mundo kung ano ang pamilyang Pilipino, kung how we raise our children, kung gaano ka-close ang family ties nating mga Pinoy. Parang gusto kong mapakita sa kanila kung paano tayo magmahal. At sabi pa ni Bel, sa isang interview, the story itself siguro more than mentally challenging me. It's more on ma-attach ako rito kasi it talks about family. I'm very family-oriented person. I guess everyone can relate to this, Bel said. Sobrang nakakalambot siya ng puso. Binabasa ko pa lang, so what more pa kaya yung story pag na-portray na namin and talagang mapalabas na.